Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So today's hair video is actually sponsored by Unice Hair Company. So shout out to Unice Hair Company for sending me this bomb robe that I have on right now. Now this robe is super cute. It actually has their Unice logo on it and everything. Pink is actually one of my favorite colors, so I was super happy when I saw this in the pack. I'm like, why is this so heavy duty? So when I opened it, I was super excited. So I had to wear it for the review today, guys. This hair review today is very simple, very easy. This is a closure unit. I am going to show you a little bit of the styling that I did with this unit today, guys. A little bit of curls. I did go ahead and put a little bit of a light layer in the front of this unit, guys, because I wanted to give you guys like a glam curl style. And this unit is a body wave texture. It's 18 inches long, and if I didn't mention it already, it's a closure wig. So very simple, ready for the spring and summertime. Frontals just don't be doing it for me in the summertime, so I'm moving into the closures just because it's simple, undetectable, and just ready to install and keep it pushing. So guys, let's jump into the install part. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. Absolutely love this unit, guys, from Unice Hair Company. Now when I did go ahead and select this unit, I was going for something that was very simple. Summertime, springtime. Let me go with spring first. Let's start off with spring. Slow down, Dom. So springtime is kind of here. It's still March, even though daylight savings already kicked in, but spring is approaching, and you guys know when the hot season start approaching, frontals just don't be doing it for me like that. So I was looking for nice closure wigs. This unit is absolutely stunning, guys. It's a closure wig, body wave texture, 18 inches long. I wanted kind of like a medium length hairstyle just because I'm always doing like long 34s, 28s, but I wanted something that was like a medium level and that just gave like all the sex appeal, all the vibes. This is definitely like more of a feminine flex. So the wig is super pretty, guys. I did go ahead and do a little curl style on this unit. I did go ahead and use my Hot Tools 1/4 inch barrel curling iron, which is my favorite. Now the only product that I use for styling for this entire entire look today was the Ebin Wonderlace Supreme. This one works perfect for holding the curls and also adhering the unit down. So not only did I use this to put the unit down, I did use it to spray the hair so that the curls could last. I actually pre-curled this unit earlier in the day, and it's been hours since I curled it, and the curls have lasted. The spray definitely does a good job on holding curls, and that can just be because the hair is body wave texture, so it's going to be a nice curl styled unit. When you curl it, it's always going to give you nice fluff and nice bounce. So if you're ever trying to purchase a unit, guys, and you guys want body wave texture, or you want the unit to be like a curled unit, like you want to wear a glam style, I always recommend selecting body wave just because it's going to have the volume that you need. Now, like I said to you guys, it is a closure unit, so you're only going to get this much lace right here. So it's about a 5x5, and the parting space is very, very long, so you get a good middle part. You can also go ahead, guys, and do a side part, but I feel like the middle part just looked really nice with the layers that I did in the front. So let me know what you guys think about the layering in the front. I think the layering definitely set the unit off and just made it look more realistic. A lot of these units are going to come to you guys without layers, so when you're trying to, you know, style your units up and things like that, you might want to try framing the face on some of the units. But because I was doing a curl style today, I definitely had to go ahead and just drop a few layers into it. But other than that, the unit is very nice. I was afraid that the top was going to be too flat for the curls, but I was able to achieve a very nice transition into the curl so it doesn't look too flat and unrealistic at the top. So let me know your thoughts, guys, about this unit. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but all in all, this is a very nice unit. Usually I say, you know, I might put this on my website, but this might be one that I keep just because of the length, the fact that it's a closure, and also the unit did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you really don't have to do that much work with the unit. Alright, guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. I'll leave any coupon codes down below and all the links if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Unice Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.